In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email automation in beehiiv. If you want every new subscriber to automatically receive a welcome message as soon as they join your newsletter, beehiiv makes that process very simple. A welcome email automation is useful because it helps you greet new readers right away, set expectations for your content, and create a stronger first impression without needing to send emails manually each time someone signs up. To get started, open your beehiiv dashboard and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Automations. This is the section where you can build email workflows that run automatically based on subscriber activity. Once you're inside the Automations area, go to the top right corner and click Create. This will start a brand new automation, and from here you'll be asked to choose the event that should trigger it. For this setup, select the automation trigger called Signed Up. That means the workflow will begin as soon as someone subscribes to your publication. This is the ideal trigger for a welcome email, since you usually want that message to go out immediately after a person joins your list. After choosing the trigger, click the plus icon connected to it to add a new node. In beehiiv, nodes are simply the actions or steps that happen inside your automation. Since the goal here is to send a welcome message, you'll want to choose the action node called Send Email. Once you select Send Email, click Create Email. This opens the email editor, where you can begin writing the welcome message you want new subscribers to receive. Take your time here and make sure your email sounds clear, friendly, and aligned with your brand. A good welcome email usually thanks the subscriber for joining, briefly explains what kind of content they can expect, and helps them feel confident that they made the right decision by signing up. When you're happy with the content of your email, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing makes the automation live, so from that point on, anyone who signs up will automatically receive your welcome email based on the workflow you just created. And that's it. You've successfully set up a welcome email automation in beehiiv. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how professionally and consistently you connect with new subscribers from the very beginning.